Okay, so here's the car. We just fixed it. Just gonna give it a gentle rotation here on my Lazy Susan that you guys gonna see. It's kind of want to fall off, so you can see the back, the beautiful like lights working and everything, and again the small TV inside, the antenna, and the beautiful coloring of this. Wow! That's it, it's off. So let's run it. If it's already off, let's play with it.
And I've got color bar in here as well, as you can see, like the sound responsive color bar. So now if we talk, you can see it light up.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
Yeah.
So it's responding to voice.
Music or voice, yeah, exactly. Like the old school color bars they had.
Okay, let's see. Shh, shh. Nobody talk. You see, it's working. Okay, let's see some performance.
Here we go. As you can see, I created my own shocks in the rear, like they're like original coil overset. So as you can see, when
I see them perfectly.
Yeah. So they're different from stock ones. You can see that the ram runs inside and it sticks out over here, so it has like a real coil over effect. That's why it wobbles like this, like a real lowrider car.
Okay.
And it helps pretty consistent as well. And I'm using the super pump on it, and it works really well. Let's see.
Okay, let's see it. Some driving and pumping.
Put it in reverse. When I completely lock the car up like this, you just push it like that.
Yeah, and it's like in neutral. Do it again.
Exactly.
Do it again. I was too close.
So if I do it like this, it's locked. Lock it all the way up and do it like this.
Yeah, look how cool is that.
Yeah. So that way you can do a very nice static hop as well. And otherwise, I mean, if the gear of the drive shaft is like locked, you will notice that it hops not as good as.
Yeah.
That's because of the friction of the gear motor. That's why. But this is a very good trick.
Now, can you do like 3 wheels?
Yeah, of course.
Show me 3 wheels.
Let's do it.
Okay, other side. Aha! See, both sides.
And before it could do side to side as well, but I removed the. I made like a sway bar that could make it go like side to side, but I removed it for hopping. It's better for hopping this way.
Bring it up real quick. I want to show them the black wheels. Those are the True 13, right?
Yes, those are custom done. I painted them exactly like the real wheels on the real car, like with the black rim and.
Can you lift the side near me?
Yeah, sure. Like this?
Yeah, perfect. Okay, guys, so those are the True 13. If anybody wonder what is the difference between those and between the wheels that come in from Red Cat Racing, so there is the difference. Okay, so now you know what else you can do with your car. And I'm gonna put link for Jevries, so if anybody want to get any of these parts for him, just talk to the guy, you know what he's talking about. See you on my next video. This is Eric at RC Monster Garage Motor Styles Hobby Shop, 177. I don't know my own address. It's 17555 Chatsworth Street, Granada Hills 91344.
Peace
Bye.
out.
See you.